In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and open the Wise app on your device in Australia. To get started, pick up your phone and open the app marketplace that matches your device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, that will be the App Store. If you're on an Android phone or tablet, open the Google Play Store instead. This is where you'll safely download the official Wise app, so it's important to begin from the correct store already installed on your device. Once the store is open, go to the search bar and type in Wise. You may also see it referred to as Wise, formerly TransferWise, so don't worry if both names appear in the listing or description. The company rebranded, but the app you're looking for is simply called Wise. Take a second to review the search results carefully, especially if several similar apps appear. Choosing the correct app is important so you avoid downloading anything unofficial. Before you install it, check the developer name shown on the app page. It should say Wise Payments Limited. This is one of the easiest ways to confirm you're looking at the real app. If the developer name is different, don't install it. Instead, return to the search results and open the correct listing. Spending a few extra seconds here can help you avoid confusion later and make sure you're using the official service. When you've confirmed that everything looks right, tap Get if you're on iPhone or Install if you're on Android. Your device may ask you to confirm the download using Face ID, Touch ID, your passcode, or your usual App Store verification method. After that, wait for the app to finish downloading. Depending on your internet connection, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. As soon as the installation is complete, open the app. You can do that directly from the store by tapping Open or by finding the Wise icon on your home screen or in your app list. When the app launches, you'll be given the option to either log in or register. If you already have an account, tap Login. If you're new to Wise, tap Register to create one. During the setup process, make sure you select Australia as your home country. This is important because it helps the app show the correct account options and features available for your region. Once that's selected, you'll be ready to move forward inside the app.